Well, student, good morning. Today we will discuss about tangent and normal by application of derivative. So, derivative केमती tangent and normal application होची that we discuss. So, what do you mean by the tangent and normal? First of all, discuss. Suppose y equal to f of x is any curve. This one is the any curve. Y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x is any curve. On the here it is, you look at on the curve, you take any point C, let's say this is the point C. You draw a tangent, this is the tangent. Normal means at the point of contact, here it is what 90 degree if you draw, this is the normal. So normal and tangent means स्पर्शक and normal means ता ऊपर जो लंबटा ड्रॉ कराई सेटा. So y equal to f of x जेकोनोसी गोटे कर्व गोटे निया आइछि y equal to f of x ता ऊपर जेकोनोसी गोटे पॉइंट निया हबो से पॉइंट ता ऊपर गोटे टेंजेंट मींस स्पर्शक ड्रॉ करा हबो से जो बिंदु रे स्पर्शक ड्रॉ कराई छि से 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ करले दैट इज व्हाट नॉर्मल. एंड नॉर्मल एंड टेंजेंट केमती अणा हबो आर स्लोप केमती अणा हबो आर स्लोप केमती अणा हबो आर स्लोप केमती अणा हबो. लेट्स डिस्कस ऑल अबाउट दिस. Here are the four important formulas. Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent equal to dy by dx. जोटा जो फंक्शन टा दिया y equal to f of x दिया तार डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कर देले जोटा आइछ दैट इज द स्लोप ऑफ द टेंजेंट. नाउ स्लोप ऑफ द नॉर्मल equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. हम by it होची 90 degree आको multiply कर equal to minus 1 आसीबो. Suppose here it is the m1 is the slope, here m2 is the slope. We know this one m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. ये दीटर स्लोप को मल्टीप्लाई कर ले माइनस 1 आसीबो कौन by they are perpendicular to each other. So here the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Now equation. Let's say this point is what at alpha beta point, you take this is the alpha beta point. जो point रे draw करा होची से point को alpha beta में नहीं जिबा. So here the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent that y minus beta is equal to dy by dx into x minus alpha. And alpha beta are the point which are given. And the equation of the tangent, this is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the normal. Normal equation can be represented by y minus beta is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx x minus alpha. You look at both equations are alike, but difference is the slope is difference in both cases. It is slope dy by dx, it is minus 1 by dy by dx. So ये चारिटा फॉर्मूला रे हम यूज करके पूरा एंटायर टेंजेंट नॉर्मल केमती कोन आछि तार एप्लीकेशन. सो हुज एप्लीकेशन इज दिस एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. कोन एटी एप्लीकेशन हला dy by dx अप्लाई हला ए dy by dx अप्लाई कराला. जे कोनसी गोटे कर्व रो टेंजेंट रो स्लोप आनिया पई तार डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट कर देले देन लेट दी व्हाट slope of the tangent, slope of the normal, this one. So we will discuss. Start one of the problem. Let's see. Here exercise 8b. Exercise 8b. From page number 245. Here page 245. Element book. So now look at here. The first, find the equation of and tangent and normal to the curve. Equation number 1. Y equal to 2x square plus 3. Y equal to 2x square plus 3. At x equal to minus 1. So now look at ଆମର जो गोटे दिया है अल्फा बीटा पॉइंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू फाइंड द पॉइंट अल्फा बीटा हाउ टू फाइंड here x value is given means this is alpha equal to -1 given for finding beta x ର मूल्य ଏଠି पुट कर देले जोटा आसे y ର मूल्य that is the beta so at x equal to -1 y equal to what here so 2 into -1 square plus 3 then it is what 5 so the point alpha beta is equal to alpha beta equal to what x equal to this is the -1 and beta y value equal to 5 this is the point so alpha beta equal to -1 and 5 okay so this is alpha beta came now we have to find the slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx here you will get the slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx y equal to what given here y equal to 2x square plus 3 and find the derivative here then we'll get what 2 tag 4x plus 3 derivative what is it that so here the slope of the normal before starting this we will find the value of dy by dx equal to 4x at x equal to -1 you put here then dy by dx equal to what dy by dx equal to 4 into -1 equal to what -4 okay this came dy by dx then slope of the tangent sorry normal slope of the normal to slope कौन आसीबो the slope of the normal can be represented by -1 by dy by dx -1 by dy by dx so -1 by dy by dx equal to -4 this equal to minus cancel it is 1 by 4 so slope of the tangent and slope of the normal came here alpha beta came now equation of the tangent y minus beta equal to dy by dx formula written already dy by dx x minus alpha y minus beta equal to what 5 y minus 5 is equal to dy by dx equal to 1 by 4 x minus alpha equal to -1 so minus plus 1 so simplify then we'll get the equation of the tangent similarly by application of another formula you know that is by application of so this is what equation of the tangent now you come to equation of the normal equation of the normal so what is the value of equation of the normal y minus beta equal to -1 by dy by dx into x minus alpha y minus beta equal to what came here 5 came you put here -1 by dy by dx equal to -1 by 4 came here x minus alpha equal to -1 so minus plus 1 if 4 ta reciprocal rule jibo then it is what y minus 5 equal to -4 into x plus 1 this is the equation if you multiply and replace on just like this is the one of the equation this is what equation of the tangent this is the equation of the normal okay put it next one you look at another formula another problem that is bit number 4 from the same exercise y equal to root 3 sin x plus cos x root 3 sin x plus cos x at x equal to, here value is given at x equal to pi by 3. At x equal to pi by 3. X equal to pi by 3 means this is alpha, you know, this is alpha equal to pi by 3 came. Extra value it put kale, when you put the value of x then you will get y. So at x equal to pi by 3, then y equal to what? Root 3 sin pi by 3 plus cos pi by 3. Here root 3 sin pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2 plus cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2. Pi by 3 means pi means 180, 180 by 3 equal to what? 60, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. Then you multiply, then you get what? 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Here 4 by 2 equal to 2. So y equal to 2, alpha equal to, this is beta. You consider this is beta. So alpha beta point equal to what? Instead of alpha you put what? Pi by 3 and beta value 2. X value जोड़ा दिया है चीटी वो x पाखे रेट पुट कर दो y value ऐसे that is beta. Okay. So slope of the tangent. Here slope of the tangent. SOT means slope of the tangent. Okay. So our derivative find out कर दो लीजिए. So dy by dx you find. dy by dx equal to root 3. You keep it root 3. Sin x derivative is cos x. And your cos x derivative is minus sin x. So now you put here dy by dx at x equal to what value we given? Pi by 3. So dy by dx रो value कहता है dy by dx x पाखे जो दी हमें pi by 3 put कर दो मैंने 60 degree root 3 into cos pi by 3 equal to what? 1 by 2 minus sin pi by 3 equal to root 3 by 2. Here root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. So next one, slope of the normal. SON means slope of the normal. Slope of the normal minus 1 by dy by dx. Formula is this one. This minus 1 by dy by dx equal to what? 0 came. So this is what? Minus infinity or infinity came. So minus infinity or infinity. Okay. So slope of the normal and slope of the what? Tangent came. And also alpha beta point came. Now we find what? Equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. You look at how to find equation of the tangent. EOT means equation of the tangent. Okay. So formula is y minus beta equal to dy by dx into x minus alpha. So y minus beta equal to what? Here alpha beta value 2, beta equal to 2. dy by dx equal to what value? dy by dx equal to 2 into x minus alpha equal to pi by 3. And if you want to simplify, then you simplify by multiplying this, otherwise you leave it. Okay. Then equation of the normal, EON means what? Equation of the normal. The formula is y minus beta is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus alpha. So instead of what? Y minus beta equal to 2 minus 1 by dy by dx, slope of the normal came what? Minus infinity or minus 1 by 0. Minus 1 by 0 into x minus alpha. Okay. So here dy by dx equal to what? dy by dx equal to 0 came here. 0. Simply you write what? Y minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 2 equal to 0 because 0 multiplies something. So here you will get. So what result you will get? When 0 multiply with this, then you will get what? 0 equal to minus 1 into this one minus x minus alpha. That means alpha, instead of alpha you put what? Pi by 3. Here pi by 3 you put pi by 3. So x minus pi by 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the what? Normal. Equation of the normal. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay. In this way you find. So here another question you will get. Question number 8. Bit number 8. In bit number 8 what given? So y equal to a theta minus sin theta and x equal to, ये both are y given. You correct this question. The first one is x and second one is y. ये question is wrong, little wrong. You correct this. So y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. A into 1 minus cos theta. And given theta equal to pi by 2. And theta equal to pi by 2. So first of all we have to find the value of alpha beta. Alpha beta रे जो point हमें find out करा वो. How to find this? So instead of theta, here is the theta, here theta, here theta. You put pi by 3. Then at theta equal to pi by 2. Then x equal to what? X equal to a into, instead of theta you put what? Pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 means sin 90. Sin 90 equal to 1, you know, this is minus 1. This pi by 2 into a. This x value came. And y value, again instead of theta you put this one, a into 1 minus cos 90 means cos pi by 2. Cos 90 equal to what? 0. So 1 minus 0, a into 1 minus 0 means a. Therefore the point alpha beta equal to xy is the value is a into pi by 2 minus 1 comma a. This is alpha beta. Okay. So point came. So now we will find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to, this is you know the parametric equation x y theta दिया है तो मैंने तब कौन कौन दी parametric equation ओली कौन दी the derivative we have already found. So in which way? dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. अबे divide को आगरू करते ले dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So d theta divided by dx by d theta. So here dy by d theta means the derivative a is constant, one derivative 0, and cos theta minus sin theta. ये minus is there already, so it is sin theta. So dx by d theta आपको derivative find out कर ले. a टा constant, theta derivative 1, जिम्दी x derivative with respect to x रे जिम्दी 1 होची, theta with respect to theta रे 1 हो. Minus sin theta, this is the cos theta. Okay. So a cancel. Here it is what? Sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So at theta equal to what? Theta equal to pi by 2 given. So dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 2. Theta equal to pi by 2. So sin theta means sin pi by 2 by 1 minus cos pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 means sin 90 equal to 1. 1 minus cos 90 equal to 0. This equal to 1. So this is what? Slope of the, this is what? Equal to slope of the what? Tangent. SOT means slope of the tangent. Then slope of the normal. SON means slope of the normal. Okay. Slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. So minus 1 by dy by dx equal to what came here? dy by dx equal to 1. This is. So here it is minus 1. So slope of the normal, slope of the tangent both came. Also alpha beta point came. So now we have to find the equation. Equation of the tangent UT. Formula is y minus beta equal to dy by dx into x minus alpha. This is the formula. Okay. So now look at here. So y minus beta. Beta equal to, instead of beta, what value here? A. Y minus a equal to dy by dx, you know, dy by dx equal to 1 came here, 1. X minus alpha. Alpha means here it is alpha equal to a into pi by 2 minus 1. This one. Simplify, then you will get your answer. Okay. So here answer is y minus a equal to x minus a pi by 2 plus a. So you simplify. Similarly, equation of the normal UN, equation of the normal. y minus beta is equal to 1 by minus 1 by dy by dx and x minus alpha. So dy by dx, so y minus beta equal to what? Y minus this one, y minus a equal to minus 1 by dy by dx equal to this is minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus alpha equal to this one, x minus a into pi by 2 minus 1. You simplify, then you get equation of the normal. Okay, equation of the normal and equation of the tangent. So here it is, the last question for you. Y equal to 1 by log x. Y equal to 1 by log x. That you can also write log x to the power minus 1. At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. At x equal to 2 means y equal to कहते हैं इसमें x पाखरे 2 पुट कर देते कहते हैं इसला 1 by log 2 this one y equal to, therefore point कहते हैं इसला point is x रहोची 2 and y रहोची 1 by log 2. This is alpha beta, जो point है इसला this is alpha beta. Okay, you keep it. Now slope of tangent SOT. SOT को कहते हैं इसमें dy by dx फाइंड आउट कराओ. Y equal to log x to the power minus 1. You consider this one log x to the power minus 1. अरे डेरिवेटिव केमती फाइंड आउट करा आपले minus 1 आगो इसको minus 1 log x to the power minus 2 into again you find the derivative of log x 1 by x. Look at here minus 1 आगो गला power minus 1 एठी minus 1 है minus 2 है log x रे derivative 1 by x. Then it is what minus 1 by x log x whole square, this one. Okay, x log x whole square. So now here slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent at what point here given at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2 x बाहर 2 put कर दो किधर ला minus 1 by 2 log 2 whole square. This slope of the tangent है. Slope of the normal SON. So आपको इसी प्रकार कर दो है माइनस कर दो 2 log 2 होल स्क्वायर आपको उल्टे देगी इसी प्रकार कर दो 1 by minus 1 by dy by dx. So this is what slope of the tangent. Then equation of the tangent EOT, y minus beta equal to dy by dx into x minus alpha. So y minus beta, beta means here it is the beta, alpha beta you know, beta equal to 1 by log 2 equal to dy by dx, you know, dy by dx equal to what value here we get slope of the tangent minus 1 by 2 log 2 whole square into x minus alpha equal to alpha 2. So simplify, then we'll get. Okay, here find the LCM and simplify. Next, slope of the normal. Sorry, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal AUN. Formula is y minus beta is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus alpha. Y minus beta equal to, you know, that is we have put already 1 minus 1 by log 2. खाली गोटा चेंज होगा 2 log 2 whole square x minus alpha equal to 2. This one you simplify, then you will get this one. Okay, so कौन कराया equation of the normal and equation of the tangent we have already found. Here it is, you practice this exercise, you know, here this exercise problem you practice. What exercise here it is written 8b. Okay, up to this mark some problems I have done and many, one of the important question, one of the long question will come out of this. We will discuss more about this. 2 to 3 classes I will take up. Okay, and later we'll discuss next day.